Creative copywriting for senior living sales funnel success. When it comes to digital marketing, crafting a small sales funnel is a surefire way to uplevel your online presence. With it, you can secure a steady stream of new qualified inquiries. But how do you know when your senior living sales funnel is optimized for success? When the inquiries aren't coming in from your website, it's time to analyze and adjust. With a quick review of the data and adjustments to your landing page itself, you can save your senior living sales funnel from being a black hole of busted leads to a top marketing source. So where do you look when you're not getting the results you want? It starts in your analytics. Look at the data to determine if it's a traffic or conversion problem. The average landing page conversation rate across all industries is 2.35%. So if you're generating traffic but not converting, the issue may lie with the copy. Copy is text on your website, landing page, email, or any other marketing piece you create. Copywriting is any writing designed for marketing or promotion. Your marketing copy should be written with the intention of having your reader take a specific action. Good copy puts the convert in conversion. Great copywriting can turn plain old text into a successful sales funnel. Smart Girl Digital has some smart tips on how to create copy that converts. First, consider what makes a good senior living sales funnel. To understand funnel copywriting, it's important to understand the sales funnel itself. A smart funnel is made up of several moving parts. The functions of these moving parts fall into one or more of the following 5 stages. Awareness, where a potential customer becomes aware of your community through either organic search or paid advertising. Interest, when the prospect moves past awareness and develops an interest in learning more about your community. Desire, when a shift occurs, turning the prospect's interest in your community into a full-on wanting to move themselves or their loved ones in. Action, where the prospect takes action to become a customer. Retention, when the customer satisfied with your services becomes a raving fan advocating for your community on and offline. The ultimate goal of a sales funnel is to capture leads and convert them into customers. But in order for this to happen, each component needs to work in harmony with the other. Ensuring positive conversations can in turn ensure positive sales funnels. Next, assess your audience. When you're looking to capture the right audience, it's important to consider these questions. Who's your ideal customer? What are they afraid of? What do they desire? How will your community add value to their lives? Where's the proof? Why should they take action right now? After you get a clear picture of your audience, it's time to get clear on sales funnel copy. In each stage of the sales funnel, copywriting can vary because the customer's relationship with your business shifts. Your marketing strategy needs to shift as well. At the top of the funnel, your focus should be awareness. This stage is where prospects are introduced to your community. Through advertising, whether it's paid, organic, or even word of mouth, your goal will be to make a lasting impression and turn interest into qualified leads. You can make these impressions through website optimization, social media, and blog posts. Check out the blog at smartgirldigital.com for more tips on funnel-focused copywriting. Now let's turn that interest into desire. Once a prospect has shown interest in your community, it's time to focus on the details. Connect with your audience by citing potential pain points they may struggle with. Then acknowledge how your community can help with those pain points. There are some great ways to share your story in detail and make those deeper connections with prospects. Paid ads. Advertising is a great way to generate interest in your community, and it's a great way to get specific about what you offer. Copy here should be direct but leave prospects wanting more. Landing pages. Ads should then lead to a landing page with more information. This is where you can go to get into more detail about how your community can remedy those pain points. Email nurturing campaign. Make sure prospects know how moving into your community can benefit their lives through a series of informative emails. Providing value can't be understated here. Last, the bottom of your sales funnel should focus on action and retention. Onboarding campaigns can help seal the deal in customer satisfaction. You can turn that satisfaction into more sales with a follow-up campaign that encourages those customers to share their great experiences with others. Learn how Smart Girl Digital can help your community. Book a free digital discovery call today or visit smartgirldigital.com.